Okay, so let me just find the meat over here. Hi guys, today we are at Guzman Y. Gomez or Guzman E. Gomez. Not sure how to pronounce it, but anyway. So I've been wanting to try this since I arrived here in Australia because it's one of the most famous restaurants I would say here. I ordered a mini beef brisket burrito. To be honest, it was okay. It was good enough. Like I would say like great. And then Eileen got the quesadilla. I think for the whole dish, the best thing is just the nachos. I really didn't like it. I think the wrapper was so thick. So, and then there's not much meat. I was trying to search for it really, and all I had was rice and beans and the wrapper. It was so hard to find the pork. There were some pork eventually, but it was just like in the middle of it. And then we had this tacos. I think this is one of the good things I like about the restaurant. Otherwise, it was the burrito and the quesadilla was just okay. I really had high hopes for it, but it was a little bit underwhelming. But it was still okay. It's not bad. It was just I was expecting more, I guess. Anyway, thank you for watching. See you on our next vlog. Bye.